So this is my bird Calypso. She is a 2-year-old violet ringneck. She's beautiful. She's my baby. Hello. She loves pets and she clucks really funny. And I'm going to show the caw this horrible screeching she does. She's beautiful, but she can be noisy. So I'm gonna grab my lovebird and kind of just show Callie from across the room because she doesn't like my lovebird. So I've just got the lovebird on me. You can see that she's pretty freaking intent. Just does not like it at all. Hi, Pee-Pee. So, yeah. What's wrong, Callie? What's wrong? What's wrong? Just pure jealousy. She actually purred for you guys. It's pretty cool. I didn't realize she'd do that. Of course she's jealous. She just wants love. Hello. Hi. 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 Hi, baby. Yeah. Anyway, that's my baby.